In this video, we are going to learn how to make simple, beautiful, symmetrical painted butterflies. The materials you'll need are construction paper or white paper. I love the contrast that black paper provides, a butterfly template, scissors, tape, craft paint of any kind, Q-tips or paintbrushes, and a paper plate. Symmetry is having one side that mirrors the other side. So in this case, if we were to cut our butterfly in half, each side looks exactly the same. Your first step is to print out the butterfly template in the link in the description of this video. Once you have it printed out, if you're going to simply use a white piece of paper, go ahead and just cut out this template. If you want to use a colored construction paper like myself, I like to tape all of my edges down so it stays in place while I cut out my butterfly template. Once I have all of the edges taped, I will begin carefully cutting out my butterfly. Once you have your butterfly cut out, grab a paper plate and apply whatever color craft paint you're going to use to add color to your butterfly. Also grab a handful of Q-tips or paintbrushes to apply the paint. Once you have your paint ready, go ahead and fold your butterfly in half. That way you know exactly where the center line will be. Once you have it folded in half, open it back up and then begin applying the paint onto your butterfly in any pattern or shapes that you would like. Now you want to apply a good amount of paint and make sure it's pretty wet. You're going to apply it fairly quickly so that it doesn't dry. Start with one color and then you can move to the next. Grabbing a clean Q-tip, I'm going to begin adding my pink. Now it's okay if some of them touch. And lastly, I'm going to add a little bit of orange to my pink so they sort of blend together. Again, there's no right or wrong way to applying the pattern. And then with my last Q-tip, I'm going to add some white dots all around the edges, but not getting too close to the edges because I don't want, when I fold it over, for them to smear on the outside or poke out. Once I have applied the paint generously, I'm going to fold my paper back where that fold already is, press firmly so that the paint rubs off onto the other side of the wing, creating those two perfect mirrored edges. Now if some of the paint started to dry, just go back in, fill them in, and then press together one more time. So you can see, you can go back over and then just sort of repeat that process to make sure that those paint sticks. You can even do it again on the opposite side instead of the side you just did. Fill in those holes and then press down. Once you have finished, feel free to grab another piece of paper and repeat this process, experimenting with a variety of colors and patterns. The possibilities really are endless. Enjoy making these beautiful painted symmetrical butterflies.